Hello. Today I'm going to walk you through the setup of your Kyota E330 Kofuko massage chair. This is a great starting chair that is very simple to get up and running. When your chair arrives, it is going to be in one large box. There are no tools required for this assembly, but for the purposes of opening the packaging, we are using a box cutter. Inside the box, you will see the chair in an upright position. On the seat of the chair, wrapped in protective packaging, are the side panels. Lift the outermost box and then remove the structural packaging. Before removing the wrap around the chair, remove the arm panels and set them aside for now. Then gently remove the covering like we've done here. To get the chair out of the box, we've cut the panels on the cardboard tray. Using your foot as a support, lean the chair backwards towards you, tipping it up on the wheels built into the base. We advise you don't lean the chair too far back. Make sure to leave some space between the tray and the back of the base of the chair. This ensures a smooth transition from cardboard tray to floor. If you do encounter trouble or find this method too difficult, you can always get a friend and have them help you team lift the chair out of the tray. Before we go too much further, in the arm of the chair behind the airbags is the manual and the spare parts for the chair. In this kit, you will find the spare fuses, spare panel clips, your warranty card, and your owner's manual. We shouldn't need them for the rest of the assembly. Set these aside and don't forget to register your warranty. Next, let's grab our side panels. There's one for each side, and here we're starting with the right arm. The arms are not labeled left or right. To make sure the arm is on the correct side, align the connectors before snapping it into place. If the connectors don't align properly, then try again on the other side. To attach the arms, snap the connectors into their sockets. This may require a firm push to get them into place. Repeat this process for the other side of the chair. We're almost ready to enjoy the Kofuko massage chair. On the opposite arm slot from the manual, there's the power cord. Open this and use it to plug the chair into power. The cord connects to the slot in the back of the base and is next to the red power switch. Once the chair is plugged in, toggle the switch so that it is lit up. This indicates that the chair is powered on. Finally, the remote is already plugged into the chair. Follow the cord and remove the packaging. When removing the packaging, there's a plastic covering vacuum sealed to the remote. You can still operate the remote with this covering on there, but to improve visibility of the screen, you can rip this packaging off. Then power the chair on using the button on the remote and run an auto program to ensure that everything is working properly. With everything working, you are ready to enjoy your E330 Kofuko massage chair.